These are the brand new elevators at the brand new Hyatt place, Wesley Chapel, Florida. Going up, indicator's already burnt out and it's brand new. That's kind of pathetic. Let's go up to 6. There we go. And go up. Here we are, go. The indicator's positioned in an odd place. Usually it's on the very far right edge. We're on 6. All right, let's go down to 1. Let's get a cab view. Very nice, but basic, but still nice, new Otis elevators. Back up to 6. All the R floors are locked. You actually felt that thing move. It's actually feel it launch a bit. Not very rarely do you see that in a modern low-rise traction. These are Gen 2 MRLs, obviously. Installed in either late 2018, early 2019. These are brand spanking now. Anyways, let's get out here. We'll get a look out and get a view of the hallway. Yeah, very nice. I like the color of the doors. Very nice new hotel hallway. All right, let's go back down. Let me demonstrate the chime again. There's your controller too. It's right in the door jamb. Oh, it's gonna go down. Ice machine there. And we'll end the video on 1. Here's your certificate. Round 1. There it goes. And that is gonna be it.